So my interview experience here was really good, and I actually came to know my strong points. They highlighted it pretty nicely that these are the areas that I should take the opportunity and if they are asked in the interview. And also I came to know about my level of preparation. So they did mention my points, like where I need to work more and how I can increase my marks from the last year. So yes, it helped me, and I think I've got that ground to prepare more and improve more. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ronak Agarwal. The interview was really enlightening and enriching. I am from the commerce background, but purposely the questions asked were on a very world phenomenon. Although I am a commerce student, but world politics, then the administration, these questions were asked, which would have made me uncomfortable. Some various aspects which they told me to improve upon. One of them is to slower my speed, which might be very great right now as well, so I need to slower that. Second, to brush upon certain specific recommendations on my seat on how to improve that. And I hope that the feedback will actually help me fetch good marks.
The mock interview at Civils Daily was a good experience for me. I was asked a range of questions from diverse topics, and I was also given a lot of situational questions. So overall, the interview experience was very good and very learning experience for me. They highlighted some of the areas to me which actually highlighted my weaknesses, like emotional stability was one of the prime reasons for one of my questions going wrong. The other areas were they tried to tell me that to speak in a lucid manner, to speak in a layman's language, so that the interview becomes a conversation and not just a question and answer round. So overall, the mentorship of VP sir was very good, and I found the interview a good learning experience. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This was my interview with Civils Daily, and it was really good interview. The panel was very nice, and they have pointed few areas where I have to work. For example, they have told me to um, work on my balance of judgment and work on the expression, the logical expression of my views. And yeah, this was a very nice interview. That's it.
I think the interview went very well. Questions were very broad based, covered all the major areas: economy, polity, geography. There were several case studies thrown in, situation based assessment was done. Uh, Stress test was also a part of the interview. So I think overall it simulated the actual interview environment very closely. Since this is my second interview, I can very well vouch for that it was pretty close to the actual interview. The feedback that I got after my interview session was that I need to increase my positivity. I need to soft aspects, working on the soft aspects like smiling, better eye contact with not just the person you are speaking with, but the entire panel, sitting upright, strength in words and strength in speaking. It doesn't mean you have to shout, but you should come across as firm and with conviction. I was told that I was lacking on that part. Another aspect that they asked me to work on was on my negativity towards the services. One of the questions I was asked was, what is the perception of bureaucracy among the public? And I went all negative without telling any positive about what the government is doing or optimism of the future. Being optimistic about the future was told to me that it is one of the key aspects that they look for in aspiring civil servants. So these are some of the things that I was asked to work on.
I had a very good experience the mock interview. Panel asked me questions from numerous areas of my DAF, and very situal questions were asked to see my biases. The rapid question around was really a new thing, and actually it showed my biases, which I am also not aware of. So it was a very a good experience, and the feedback was really comprehensive. So that took nearly 15 to 20 minutes to explain every biases and every shortcomings and weaknesses I have. So it was very good experience for me.
The interview conducted by Civils Daily was really good. The diverse aspects which were asked in the interview, they were really constructive. The questions were really constructive. So they were trying to gauge that am I a proper candidate to serve as a civil servant or not. and secondly, the feedback given by them, it is really helpful. The feedback was honest. Instead of making me feel good, they tried to give me the pointers which I need to work on, like my work profile or many aspects of my TAF. Then there are some questions which are highly likely to be asked regarding why civil services, or what will I do if I join civil services. So there were these questions which I need to work on, and they were really inspiring. The interview was inspiring to work hard.
My name is Ravi Kumar. I've just given an interview in Civils Daily. The interview was very good. The panel was very, very intelligent and intellectual. I like this interview. They mentioned few definite improvement areas that I need to look at. For example, they talked to me about being a little less kiddish, because my answers were very generic also, and be more specific. दृढ़ता वाली बात लाने की भी उन्होंने मेंशन किया था, and be myself, do not bluff, and they were very keen to know my personality, and they actually gave me very knowledgeable feedback.
The interview was good. They told me some areas which I need to improve, and also the areas where I'm good at. So overall interview experience was good, and I'm feeling a bit more confident now. The areas I need to improve are based on my DAF. I need to get some in-depth knowledge about a few hobbies and how to handle situational questions. So how to have this critical power of assimilation and how to exemplify our leadership skills. So these are the areas I need to improve.
My experience with the mock test at Civils Daily was good. They covered the holistic concepts. It was more on the analytical sides, and the questions from the HR, it was lesser on the factual sides, and the board delved into many areas regarding the feedback. It was very elaborate. They gave me also some new points in some areas related to my TAF and what to prepare. Overall, it was a very good experience. Thank you.
So hi, my interview, the mock interview at Civils Daily was quite a good experience in terms of the kind of questions they asked. So they asked a question which made me actually think. There are a lot of analytical areas they touched upon. Also, there were some areas in my DAF which were not very well prepared, but they asked a lot of questions, so that will help me. Also, in terms of talking about the feedback, I think there were some questions where there's no right or wrong answer. So they made me understand that how to approach a question, how to be how to go according to the constitution or according to the legislation. Also, they gave feedback regarding my personality and body posture and everything, which in some way or the other has increased my confidence. And these are the things. Thank you so much.
The interview went very well, and the panel asked me questions from diverse area, be it my hobby, my graduation, my optional subject. So I'm very pleased to have given my interview here, and the staff was also very cordial, and they scheduled my interview as per the time, and the interview started on time. So that was the most pleasing part about the interview. And now the panel has told me to work upon my geography optional and other areas of my TAF, mainly the hobbies. I'll take their feedback and work upon them.
Hi, my name is Prateek Singhotia, and मैंने अभी सिविल्स डेली में अपना मॉक इंटरव्यू दिया है, और ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए. यहाँ पे मेरे पैनल ने मुझे मेरे सारे स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेसेस के बारे में बताया, जैसे कि हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. उन्होंने बताया कि आप बेटर कैसे आंसर दे सकते हैं, और उन्होंने मुझे अपने हॉबीज़ के बारे में, क्योंकि मेरी हॉबी इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन से रिलेटेड है, तो उसके बारे में मुझे बताया कि थोड़ा अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए, बेसिक्स एज वेल एज एप्लीकेशंस एंड थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट अच्छे से प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए. एंड सेकेंडली they have been very cooperative, and they have been very cordial, and you will not feel any pressure while talking to them. And they have also told me about being precise in your answers. Sometimes you should not brag up your answers, and they have told me to keep answers up to 2 and 3 lines, right? And एंड दे हैव टोल्ड मी टू मतलब कि जैसे आपका इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड है तो आप उसको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, तो उसमें आपको क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स ऑल.
Hello, I am Mohan Krishna. I have come here to Civis Daily for my mock interview. And today I have given my mock interview that has covered a wide aspects of all my DAF for the regional issues, my state issues, and political science, which is my optional. It has been a great experience, and I have got many insights which I need to improve upon. For instance, I need to work upon my hobbies. They have created some situations out of my hobbies which I have not expected, and which I have learned that I should be preparing them also. So overall, it's a very great experiences, and I will work on this feedback. Thank you.
The interview ranged around different subjects, and they weren't specifically sticking on to one part of the DAF. Rather than that, it was a holistic approach dealing with all the sections of the DAF. And few questions were interesting, as in I haven't experienced it so far in any of the interviews. It was certainly trying to bring out my personality. So it was an time for me to how to prepare these questions. And regarding the feedback that I received, one common suggestion was that I was generalistic in my questions in few segments, that I need to give up with the proper backing. And then another was to be sure about the DAF based questions, that whatever being filled in DAF, you should be ready to answer it.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.